Hey everybody, it's Ryan with CPP Tech. Today's the day we're going to build a computer. I'm going to go over the specs with you real quick. We got the Ryzen 9 3900X, the AORUS Master from GIGABYTE. It's the X7 or X570. My apologies. We are doing 32 gigs of RAM. We're using the PATRIOT Viper Gaming. I think it's the Viper Steel. 2x16. We got 4 of those. We're going with 3 M.2s. I believe there's one terabyte, and we have 2 500 gig sticks. For our cooling, we are going with the DEEPCOOL. I believe it's the DEEPCOOL Castle XE or EX, the EX, the DEEPCOOL EX 360. It's got the 360 millimeter rad on there. I like this cooler. My brother-in-law has one. He put it in his, and it seems to be pretty good. We also, for the power supply, we're using the EVGA G5, the SUPERNOVE G5, 850 watts. It is modular, and it is the 80 plus gold. And for the, that would have been bad. For the graphics card, we're doing the MSI Gaming Trio, the 2080 Ti. You probably already watched the video on that one. And with that being said, if you like that one, and you like this one, subscribe and like. We are going with, you've already seen this monitor unboxed and all the LG 34UM69U or G. So I believe we're going to do the build. Alright, well there she is in all her glory. I did fail to mention earlier that we built it in a LIAN 011 dynamic case. It was a great case. I really love this case. I would recommend buying this case if you can swing the 130 to 150 bucks. This is the lower end tier. I know they range up to $200, but this is by far one of the best cases I've bought. But with that being said, this build was three weeks ago, Father's Day weekend. We've nicknamed this the midlife crisis. I don't know, it's pretty cool. I like the name. It's stuck. The computer itself, I'm still learning Premiere, so there's some quirks that I have to work out with it. I'm sure it's not the computer, I'm sure it's operator error. We just ran Cinebench and I'm getting a 7287 score on it. If you watch my other video on the MSI 28 Ti, there's actually, I believe I ran, what was that called? I'm sorry. Heaven? Yeah, I ran Heaven on there, and the benchmarks are on that video. So if you'd like to see that one, throw a subscribe, a like, and we appreciate it over here. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great night.